I'm just going to make a short episode. I just want to explain why I love TikTok so much. So, if you've never seen my channel, thank you so much for coming. You are infinite in value. My name is Liberty V Justice, and I own I'm Worth It Incorporated, which is an entertainment empire. And the goal is to equip entertainers emotionally, okay? So thank you so much. So check it out. I never would have been able to say what I just said if it wasn't for TikTok. I have become a much better communicator. But, the greatest thing about TikTok is the community, period, bar none. I mean, it's got, another thing, it's got its own built-in editing system. Like, when I do shit on YouTube, I gotta go to iMovie if I want to do any type of editing. And that's cool, but not really, I mean, TikTok it's short form. It's quick. You get that quick rush of adrenaline. You get that quick rush of adrenaline and you get that instant gratification because you post it, boom, you got instant views. You know what I mean? You got instant views as soon as you post something on TikTok. And I'm talking, there's times where I've had like 1,000 views in a few minutes. You know what I mean? And I have some videos that are still getting views. Don't hate me because you can't date me. Holla, I'm worth it. Thanks, baby. And that's a new meme. Don't hate me because you can't date me. I got little girls around the world. I have over 4.2 million views on that video. I have some that was from February, like the beginning of February of 2021. And that just a couple months ago. But then I have some that I made last year that are still getting viewed and have almost billions of views. That's crazy. I've never gotten the amount of views on my YouTube channel that I get on TikTok. But like I said, it's the editing. I love the editing on TikTok. I love the fact that you can collaborate with any of your most favorite people like Dr. Phil, Grant Cardone. You got Evan Carmichael. I mean, all the greats. Gary Vaynerchuk is on there. I've done duets with him. I've done stitches with him. It's just really amazing, the community and the way Howie Mandel, you got superstars on there, Jack Black, you got your favorite Adam, I think Adam Sandler's on there. I'm not sure. But, you got everybody on there. And it's really amazing how anyway, there's Bill Nye, the science guy's on there, I'm pretty sure. It's just the community and the fact that there's superstars on there that I can now collaborate with. And they're probably most of them probably are not going to comment on your video, but still, you can collaborate with them, and it's really cool. And the fact that we have this community where we can duet, we can talk to each other through duets, comments, you got your Instagram link, and if you have a YouTube channel like I do, you got it linked up there on your TikTok right there. They got the choice. They click that button, boom, they got Instagram, they got YouTube. You can put your link for your PayPal in your bio if you want. You can put your link tree in your bio. You can tell people, hey, I love LGBTQIA, which I do. I'm not LGBTQIA, but I support as a cis person. I don't understand a lot of things, but I have a best friend, Erica Burns. Erica in the 2020s. I'll put her link below if you want to go follow her. She is a trans woman. Blew my mind when I saw her YouTube channel. She's amazing. So now we're supporting each other's growth on TikTok. But in 1 year, I have 150,000 fans on TikTok, and it's insane. Not only, let me talk about that again in a second, but I'm going to end this pretty soon, actually. I'm very exhausted. But, the thing about TikTok is that if you want to be successful in entertainment, it's very, very easy. Well, not that it's easy, but it's a simple concept, right? You go to TikTok and you just start making videos. I never intended on doing anything except dancing on TikTok. Honestly, I never intended on having fans, but now I got 150,000. And once I found out that anybody can just speak on there about whatever they want, I thought it was just dancing, honestly. I really did. I thought it was just stupid, not stupid, but fun little dancing videos. Okay, cool. I'm going to get better at dancing, right? But I met a lot of really amazing people all over the world. England, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Pakistan, UAE. I mean, the list goes on and on. Obviously, every country, as far as I know, China, Japan, as far as I know, every country is on there. I got a friend who lives in the Netherlands, And I never would have done that if it wasn't for TikTok. I mean, I've met some really amazing people and just have so much fun. It's really, one of my best friends, I met her on TikTok. She came here all the way from Virginia and we met. And it's this, I can't believe this, because if you're an entertainer, you know how important it is to support other entertainers. You know how much you want support. So anyway, I have over 1,500 followers on my YouTube channel in 1 year. And so I have triple the amount of subscribers that it took me 5 years to get 500 subscribers. And I had to literally beg my family and everybody I know on Facebook, and I had to beg them to subscribe. But now that I got, guess what? Now that I got TikTok, I got my fans from TikTok. They just automatically come over here. You know why? Because they're young. A lot of them are young kids and they're YouTubers. So they're like, oh, she's got a YouTube. I got a YouTube. I'm going to go support her on YouTube. And they talk to me on here. They comment. I don't even have to tell them to come here. They just come here. It's not as hard as it used to be. So like I said, I'm going to get out here. If you're a musician like I am, if you're a YouTuber, get on TikTok. Put your links on there, and boom, it happens. You know what I mean? Shit just happens on TikTok, and you'll automatically get support on all your other platforms. I started making money on TikTok, and once you get to 10,000 followers, you can get part of the Creator Fund. And like I said, we'll talk more about that later, but it's just really amazing when you just do the things that you love. You find the people that are doing what you do, and you fall in love with each other, and you become a community, and you support each other, and you become more successful, and you make more money. So there you go. I said it before, and there you go. I have proof of it now. I love you guys. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you, YouTube. And thank you to everybody who's watching me. Thank you for all your support. I love you so much. Once again, my name is Liberty V Justice, and I'm the owner of I'm Worth It Incorporated, and my TikTok link is right there in the description. So follow me on there. Tell me you saw my YouTube episode. And tell me your name, man. I'll be live on Wednesday. So that's the day after tomorrow. So anyways, I love you guys. You are infinite value. Thank you so much. I'll be live at 10:30 Pacific time. If you're on the East Coast, that will be 1:30. On the East Coast, 1:30 p.m., okay? And I'll be live at 8:15 on the East Coast, 5:15 on the West Coast, because California loves TikTok live streams. All right, thank you. You're worth it.